Hi friends, welcome to my channel Influence Magnet. In this world, no two persons are alike. No two persons have been blessed with the same level of happiness. There are bound to be situations when one has more and the other has less. Sometimes the differences are self-created and at other times they are created by the society. Don't worry for the differences and focus on your blessings if you want to live happy. Friends, in this video we bring you a small motivational story on why you should stop making comparisons if you want to live happy. Here we go. In a forest, there lived a crow. The crow was very happy and completely satisfied in life. One day, when it was flying over a river, he saw a swan. At once, the crow started thinking that this swan is so white, whereas I am so black. This swan must be the happiest bird in the world. He could not resist the inner thoughts. The crow immediately expressed his opinion to the swan. After hearing this from the crow, the swan replied, "Yes, you're right. I too was feeling that I am the happiest bird, but when I saw a parrot which has two colors, then I thought that the parrot might be the happiest bird in this world. Now I think that the parrot is the happiest bird of all the birds." The crow then approached the parrot. The crow told the parrot what the swan had told. The parrot said, "Yes, you're right. I lived a very happy life. But the day I saw a peacock, I changed the thought because the peacock has multiple colors, whereas I have only two colors." The crow then visited a peacock in the zoo and saw that hundreds of people had gathered to see the peacock. The crow took chance when the peacock was left alone by the people. The crow told the peacock that you are so beautiful that so many people come daily to see you. The crow also added that people don't like the crow. When the people see the crow, they immediately hush me away. They don't like me. I now think that you are the happiest bird on the earth. The peacock replied, "Yes, I always thought like that, and I thought that I was the most beautiful and happy bird among all the birds in this world. But because of my beauty, I am captured by the people and I am trapped in this zoo. I have seen the life in the zoo very carefully, how difficult and painful the life in the zoo is. I am here in this zoo and cannot move out. Now I realize that the crow is the only bird which is not kept in a cage. So, for the past many days, I have been thinking that if I were a crow, I would have been free flying for which the birds are meant. I could happily fly in the skies and move everywhere." Hearing this, the crow got confused and again started rethinking that the crow is the happiest bird on the earth. Friends, this is the real problem we all are facing in this world. We make unnecessary comparison with others and get easily disappointed. We become depressed and sad. We ignore what the God has given us. By creating comparisons, we enter into the zone of unhappiness, and this disease of comparisons widens as time passes. even though we are blessed with so many beautiful things by the God. So friends, learn to be happy with whatever you have been blessed instead of focusing on what you don't have. Stop making comparisons with others. You will feel a high level of happiness this way. Friends, if you find value in this video, please like, comment and share so we can bring more like this. Please subscribe to our channel and support. Thank you for watching.